Google has officially launched the Antigravity 2.0 with major architectural changes that directly affect how we use antigravity now. Because previously, antigravity was single application in which you have the full IDE, the editor, the VS Code with the AI agent on the right side. So you have the project structure on the left side, in the middle you have the files opened, you can edit them, and on the right side you have the AI agent. That was single application. So that was a full-fledged IDE with agent. So you can directly send instructions, it does changes, you can directly change, edit files from there and see the files, right? That was the full philosophy. But now Google has changed that. So Google has decoupled the older anti-gravity into two parts, and the first part is standalone AI agent companion. So this is a separate application which is just like a standard chat interface, just like ChatGPT or Gemini, in which you chat with the AI and it does the task for you. But the only difference is this has access to your projects and files, and it can directly edit them, read them, and do whatever with them, right? So see this, you have chats categorized by folders, the projects. So you can find, okay, this is the list of chat I have done within this project. So you can directly go and see it. And one more thing better is that now you can see full list of chat rather than only few, compared to previous anti-gravity in which you were able to only see few chats and some were lost even though they were there on local PC, but you can't access them directly even with search. But that is fixed here. And the second thing is anti-gravity IDE, which is nothing but just editor plus AI agent built in which you can edit files, see files, and directly tell the chatbot AI agent to does stuff for you. That's pretty much it, the anti-gravity IDE, which is similar to the old one. And the reason why we have anti-gravity chatbot application as a separate thing is that if you are an developer, you know that there's a lot of features you need Android Studio for. And the reason why you have to open anti-gravity as well, because you want AI to do stuff for you. And for that, there's one single problem. You are using Android Studio for editing files and most of the other stuff. And the only reason you need anti-gravity is for instructing the AI to do stuff, and that's pretty much it. But previous anti-gravity has IDE with AI agent, so that IDE features are useless for you because you want to only use Android Studio for it. So that's why Google separated it. So if someone just wants to chat with the AI to do stuff and will use its own editor like IntelliJ VS Code, they can use that editor with anti-gravity chat interface. So anti-gravity will not take that much RAM. So it will save you resources, right? You don't have two editors open at the same time. So you can do something like this. You have on the right side anti-gravity chat which takes less RAM because now it doesn't have ID, and you can have your actual Android Studio project opened here. So you don't use unnecessary RAM. And if you want to build everything inside the anti-gravity, then you can use anti-gravity IDE because it has editor plus AI built in, so you don't have to open any other IDE. So that's the reason. But there's a problem that I'm not able to shift from this chat interface to IDE. But there's one problem that I'm not able to shift from this chat interface to anti-gravity IDE, which is I think a bug, because no matter what I do, click on these folders or this, and I have tried everything and I cannot shift to anti-gravity IDE. Even though I have downloaded it and installed this anti-gravity IDE, I'm not able to shift to it. I'm just able to open this chat interface. I think that's the problem with this. There's a bug, but other than that, the decision is good. I think it will be fixed, but that's pretty much it.